Right, so it's finally here. This is the valeton Dapper Amp Mini. And I gotta tell you guys, this is... Oh boy. I've waited for this for a long time. Now, I tried buying this last year off Amazon. And I did buy it, but then, just my luck, the package was damaged, so they refunded the money and didn't deliver it to me. I'm like, damn. And then there was none left, you know? And then, about 2 days ago, right now it's like, September 20... I want to say 23rd, 2020, about 2 days ago, and then I'm like, it's supposed to be delivered yesterday, but then like, it was delayed, and I'm like, no, is this gonna happen again? Am I cursed not to get this thing? But finally it's come. This is just brief unboxing, and then tomorrow, I'm gonna make an actual demo and a review of this, but just unbox this thing, see what comes inside. Packing is very small, smaller than I thought it'd be. But I heard the unit's not very big, and it's true, it's not very big. But I heard it packs a punch. So here we go, it comes with the device. And man, this thing is really small. It's it's like, it could definitely fit a guitar gig bag, huh? It's probably no more than like 5.5 inches. No, maybe like 6 inches. But yeah, look at that. All the knobs seem to be working fine. Yeah. Oh, that's interesting. So, there's like a clean, let's see if we can get close. There's a clean, drive, and high gain. So, then there's 3 settings. So, these click. This one, it's just more like a up and down switch. Huh. I was wondering about that. I'm like, you could use this to change the channel, but anyways, I'll figure out tomorrow. But yeah, so you get amplifier, effects, reverb. What more do you need, right? And then you also get nice AC adapter. Nice. So alright, I'll check back tomorrow and we'll do the review.